Hi friends, welcome to our channel Way to Success. இந்த வீடியோவில் PGTRB Zoology Unit 1 Ascaris Lumbricoides கான ஷார்ட் நோட்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். Ascaris Lumbricoides Classification Phylum Ashelminthus Class Nematoda Order Ascaridea. General characters of Ascaris: it is the largest intestinal worm in humans. It is cosmopolitan in distribution. It is more common in children than adults. It is elongated, cylindrical, unsegmented, and bilaterally symmetrical, triploplastic, and pseudocoelomate. Body is covered by cuticle. Common name of Ascaris is roundworm. It is a monogenic endoparasite of man. It shows sexual dimorphism. This is caused by Ascaris is Ascariasis. Transmission: ingestion of embryonated eggs through contaminated food and water. Larva: rhabditiform larva. Reserve food is glycogen. It is stored in syncytial cells. Respiration: anaerobic type. Excretory system by rennet cells. Morphology of Ascaris: adult worm. They are large cylindrical worms with tapering ends. The anterior end is more pointed than posterior end. They are pale pink or flesh colored but become white outside the body. The mouth at the anterior end has 3 finely toothed lips. One dorsal lip is called papilla and 2 ventrolateral lips. 4 longitudinal lines running throughout the length of the body. Male worm: it is smaller than female. It measures 15 to 30 cm in length and 2 to 4 mm in thickness. Its posterior end is curved ventrally to form a hook and carries 2 copulatory spicules. Female worm: the female is larger than male, measuring 20 to 40 cm in length and 3 to 6 mm in thickness. Its posterior end is straight and conical. The vulva is situated mid-ventrally. A distinct groove is seen surrounding the worm at the level of the vulvar opening. This is called the vulvar waist or genital girdle. A single worm lays up to 200,000 eggs per day. The eggs are passed in phases. Two types of eggs are passed by the worms, or fertilized and unfertilized egg. The fertilized eggs are embryonated and develop into the infective eggs. The unfertilized eggs are non-embryonated and cannot become infective. Fertilized eggs: these eggs are round or oval in shape, always bile stained golden brown in color, surrounded by thick, smooth, translucent shell with an outer coarsely mammillated albuminous coat, a thick transparent middle layer, and the inner lipoidal vitelline membrane. Some eggs are found in feces without the outer mammillated coat. They are called the decorticated eggs. In the middle of the egg is a large unsegmented ovum containing a mass of coarse lecithin granules. It nearly fills the egg except for a clear crescenting area at either poles. These fertilized eggs floats in saturated solution of common salt. Unfertilized eggs: it is elliptical in shape, narrower and longer, has a thinner shell with an irregular coating of albumin, contains a small atrophied ovum with a mass of deorganized, highly refractive granules of various size. Unfertilized egg does not float in salt solution. Life cycle of Ascaris: Ascaris completes its life cycle in single host. Stages in life cycle. Stage 1, eggs and feces. Sexually mature female produces as many as 200,000 eggs per day, which are shed along with feces. Stage 2, development in soil. Embryonation occurs in soil as optimum temperature of 20 to 25 degrees Celsius with sufficient moisture and oxygen. Infective larva develops with an egg in about 3 to 6 weeks. Stage 3, human infection and liberation of larvae. Human get infection with the ingestion of embryonated egg through contaminated food and water. Within embryonated state inside egg, first stage larvae develops into second stage larva called rhabditiform larva. Second stage larva is stimulated to catch out by the presence of alkaline pH in small intestine and solubilization of its outer layer by bile. Stage 4, migration of larva. Hatched out larvae penetrates the intestinal wall and carried to liver through portal circulation. Then it travels via blood to heart and to lungs by pulmonary circulation. Within 4 to 7 days of infection, the larvae in lungs molds twice, enlarge and move into alveoli. Stage 5, re-entry to small intestine. From the alveoli, the larvae passes through bronchi, trachea, esophagus, stomach and reached into small intestine once again. Small intestine is the normal habitat of Ascaris and it colonizes here. Sexual maturation occurs within 6 to 10 weeks and the mature female discharges its eggs in intestine lumen and excreted along with feces, continuing the life cycle. Symptoms: intestinal ascariasis, abdominal pain, vomiting, nausea, weight loss, diarrhea, growth retardation. Pulmonary ascariasis, wheezing, cough, chest pain, fever. The drugs used for the treatment of ascariasis is mebendazole, albendazole, pyrandyl pomoate, fibrosine citrate. Thank you for watching this video.